Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the BONK update. Today there are so many things in crypto you don't want to see, and one of the things you don't want to see right now is BONK doing this thing, right? Whatever BONK is doing and whatever this is something you don't want to see, right? We don't want to see something like this because we had for a moment a nice good breakout, successful retest, bullish divergence and whatnot. You can see that you even made a bullish harami here, right over there, and eventually you start to pop down again. So this is not good. This is definitely not something you want to see, of course. And if I do check in on the daily time frame, you can see that it's kind of failing right now. It's really probably failing if you look at the trend line. It's almost like you came down like this, you try to make a successful retest. For a moment we thought we're heading somewhere. The retest is successful, but now coming down like this is not really good. Now the next thing that I may talk about is that the lowest you're looking to go to, and I'm gonna have to say number one is if you come below 2678, right? If you make it below 2678, then you could open up the windows to really drop down on the daily time frame and come to this historical low on the RSI, which is actually down right over here, where previously it was really good to buy, of course. And the next thing is you do have a trend line coming up as well. So if I do have to tell you the next support that we probably may look forward to, it's going to be this right over here. So the lowest you can really go again is you made a few touches here, and you made reactions right over there. Every time it was good to bounce back off. So in my opinion, if you start to go down and lose 2455 here and you close below it, then you could really drop even lower to that trend line, and that can actually be up to 1700. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one in the office.